So good morning, and now this is my second session of my first trip in 2026. Yeah, same people, and we're gonna go to the Clearwater Cave soon. Good morning. Oh, how is it? Good? Yeah. Okay.
Morning.
Good morning. Morning. Yeah. Okay. Now we start the journey with the boat ride. Yeah.
You know,
I guess you guys get like
1 week and it's promised.
Okay. So all of the food you can put it at behind there, just near to the last seat. Yeah. And you guys will sit in here. Yeah.
What if I want bananas and when I go shopping, all the ones that they have.
Yeah. Okay. Oops. Yeah. You can. Yeah. You can spin your leg a bit. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Many finger, yeah? Just for a couple of minutes like that.
The backpacks.
No, this, yeah. We'll go there down here again. Ah, Sagota.
Empty.
Empty already. Huh? Yeah, we can take a few minutes of sightseeing around.
Long.
Yeah, this one is like
For the kids.
for the kids. The original one, yes, you're right. It's more than
3 meter?
3
No,
meters,
no.
3 meters like that. Yeah, and of course the size is big with the spear.
Yeah.
With the spear. But this one is just for practice. For
This
practice.
is praktisch.
Okay. So this is our first cave called Cave of the Wind. This cave is not that far, so more or less the same like Lang Cave yesterday. So probably like 30 minutes to half an hour, and then we go down here again afterwards. Then we have another cave, just 2 minutes boat ride. Then we have the picnic area and the last cave called Clearwater Cave. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we can go up. Okay, so this is Wind Cave, yeah? Wind Cave. Okay, finally we can feel a bit of breeze here. And now you can see most of the shape of the stalagmite and stalactite are a little bit different now. So they're more pointed there. You can see how deep is that hole. King's Chamber. King's Chamber. And in this place, we will start to make a loop, same like the cave yesterday, and we're back same way. And from, inside there, actually you will see like a very big column. Column means like when the stalagmite and stalactite join together as a pillar. And then when you see the size, it's just incredible, and the shape too. Yeah. It's like when we go to the big gallery.
Tunnel vision, winning season, no distractions, hard grinding, thirst quenching, pure passion, all action, no slacking, won't settle for satisfaction. I'm not the plug, anybody that get to asking, I'm the vice, addiction is the reaction, one shot, plan pocket,
Okay.
smashing, won't stop, won't lose, no subtraction.
Yeah. Okay.
Here we go. Can go in the water or
Later after we finish the cave. Yeah. Yeah. Of course. Okay. So we go to find our table first. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. That's the people find our table here somewhere. What about that side? Okay, good. Near to the place, and you can see nice background too. Okay.
Achso, da war auch Essen für den Bootsfahrer dabei.
Aber ist ja später Essen.
Achso.
So once we finish this cave, so and then we go down, and then that's the time when you go for the swim down there.
Yeah.
And you can take the clothes for that too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we take a rest. Enjoy the view. Yeah. Welcome to the Clearwater Cave. Here we are. Welcome to the Clearwater Cave. And now you can see surrounding us. It's just big, majestic view around now.
Anything to